Hi everyone. I just wanted to touch base about some of the issues that we had yesterday. Sorry about all that. And those are, on some level, kind of typical problems that we often have with Blackboard and Turnitin. They don't cause much of an issue if we've got a full-length class. If it takes me a couple hours to fix an issue like that. In this case, emailing out those drafts to you in a full-length class, that doesn't matter that much. In a class like this, when you feel like you've got the assignment due, it can cause a bit of a problem. I do want to just most of you submitted your final drafts before I had emailed. A lot of you did that before I had emailed out those rough drafts, which is perfectly fine. I understand why you did that. You felt like it was the due date, and you wanted to keep up with the due date, and I'm happy that you guys are being conscious about that. However, in the future, I do want you to think about what I want you to prioritize instead is hearing from me. So if there's a due date and I've wanted to talk to you about something, let's say for you can't read and my comments on your drafts, like what happened here, or if we were supposed to talk on the phone and we've just been missing each other and for whatever reason we can't talk on the phone, don't submit the final draft until after we've talked. I'm in control of the due dates, so if it's I can extend them if there's a good reason, and a good reason is we haven't talked about that, because I need to make sure that you're hearing from me so that you know what to do next. Because if you go into the final draft without hearing from me, you may end up making the same kind of mistakes. And so my goal is for you to be able to talk to me, hear what my comments are, and go, oh, that's what I need to be doing, and think about that. We can potentially have a conversation about that, and then you can move forward with completing your draft. So just keep that in mind. The most important thing to me is for us to have some kind of contact, either if it's through Blackboard or on the phone or in person, before you move on. So it's perfectly fine what happened this time. I don't have any problem with that, considering I understand what you did, and I probably should have sent out a message saying, "Don't turn in your drafts until we can get these finals." But I was, panicking a bit about how to figure out how to get that information to you. So, just in the future, just make sure to talk to me first, and we'll deal with the due dates later on. Um, and then all of that having been said, since all that stuff happened yesterday, I'm a little bit behind today in terms of getting your assignments up for today. I will get them up sometime today, and so all the parts about poetry will be up today. If you look in Blackboard, you will see you're going to see this video. I'm connecting to this video, but there are other things that are not there. Be on the lookout, because later on today I'm going to send you out a message that will tell you that other things have been added to Blackboard. So just keep that in mind. Just because when you look in Blackboard and see this video now, there's not going to be anything there for the poetry packet that I have you in there, the assignment for the poetry assignment, the video about poetry. None of those things are there. I was supposed to be making them yesterday, but I was trying to deal with some of these issues. And and so just keep that in mind. We're a little bit behind, but hopefully we'll catch up some for this weekend. I'll try and get those uploaded as soon as possible. As always, just try and keep in contact with me if there's any issues. And again, don't worry about due dates. I'm in control of the due dates, and so I can see, oh, there's a reasonable reason why this thing is late, and it won't be an issue for me. So keep that in mind. I'll be back in touch later on today.